amazing cookware set. I am absolutely obsessed with them, and I'm gonna leave a link in the bio to the product, also available in my Amazon storefront. So I just want to take a moment to introduce you guys to this beautiful granite pot set that I received from the brand Caannasweis. I want to thank them so much for sending me this adorable piece. I've been eyeballing it for months now and definitely had it on my wish list. I have been loving them. The brand Caannasweis was created back in 1999. It has been involved in traditional pots and pans since 2019 as a professional cookware supplier. They started the online sales business of non-stick cookware in order to follow the trend of the times. This kind of cookware is an innovation. Its surface imitates the shape and texture of granite, and the interior is made of non-stick material. It combines the beauty of granite with the durability of a basic non-stick cookware. Caannasweis' slogan is "Taste the fun of cooking," which I think is perfect because the food tastes absolutely amazing. I did not have to use any oil or butter, and the food just came out great. There is so much to love about this cookware set. It is induction cooktop ready with a magnetic base ensuring uniform heat distribution. Their cookware set is compatible with various stove tops, including induction. It maximizes space. You simply just detach the handles and stack each piece neatly within one another. Add a mat between pans to prevent scratches, and these mat comes included in the box. They are dishwasher friendly. You simply remove the handles for each cleaning in the dishwasher just like regular plates and bowls, providing extra space and a thorough clean. It is unmatched versatility from stovetop to oven and the refrigerator. Their cookware seamlessly transitions. Its compact design fits effortlessly in your car trunk, ideal for kitchen, camping, and travel adventures. It's also easy to clean by hand, and it is perfect for tableware also. Included in the box, you get 3 frying pans, 2 saucepans, 2 removable handles, 2 glass lids with silicone rings, 2 silicone covers to cover the pots and put it in the refrigerator for storage, and you also get a silicone tongue. I absolutely love how seamlessly everything was able to be prepared, how easy the cleanup was. There was no burn, and I just love the fact that these are stackable, they're space saving, so it makes organization easier. As a matter of fact, it looks perfectly beautiful stacked on top of the counters. I just love it, and again I am obsessed. So thank you again, Caannasweis, for sponsoring this portion of today's video and sending me these amazing cookware sets. I am absolutely obsessed with them, and I'm gonna leave a link in the bio to the product, also available in my Amazon storefront.